Iya, oke. Bentar deh, bentar. Eh, ya oke guys, ini semuanya kembali ke Sampenaya di channel Fit Karantin. Oke, kali ini kita kembali ke Honkai Star Rail. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan perjalanan trail basic kita ya di Nampori. Oke, ini kali ini adalah update 3.2 ya. Oke, gua udah mabok ya, dibokok sama di bocoran dan lain-lain. Pokoknya banyak lumayan. Tapi kalau di story biasanya gua skip. Gua biasanya kalau cari nick yang paling ya nick tentang tim karakter sama ini ya. Dan belakangan lagi heboh nih tentang si Kato Beras nih. Ya kan jadi karakter playable. Nah, orang pada ribut tuh. Heboh banget tuh. Karena apa? Karena skill global pasifnya yang bisa revive the team. Tapi ya nggak tahu sih, kalau menurut gua sih ya nggak nganggap serius juga sih. Lagian kan cuma game single player sih normalnya ya. Tapi di samping itu emang ini game emang gila sih. Power creepnya itu oke lah, udah dapat dapat daripada banyak budget saya bisa mulai ya. Nah, yang tapi dan yang gua tangkap pokoknya nanti ada boss weekly gitu ya, boss utama di update kedepannya ya di 3.3. Silau. Pertama kita review dulu si Kasto Beras ya. Wow. Sekarang gue lagi diet. Lebih sering minum jadinya. Diet makan tapi nggak diet minum. Aduh. Kali ini kita merayakan ini untuk sekaligus banyak bansos juga guys untuk merayakan anniversary kalau Honkai Star Rail sudah 2 tahun. Oh, gila, baru mulai langsung loh. Astaga, baru masuk dan disuguhi animasi. Wow, gila nih. Tambah sekarang jadi benar-benar undangan bintang. Nggak dia gitu. Satu karya. Oh, ini season baru ya, berarti nggak perlu capek-capek lagi dapatin mereka ini ya. Ya udah kita tukar aja sih anjing. Iya anjing, kita tukarnya sama Bu Puan, Clara sama Blade, Will sama Silenton. Oke. Iya, dia cocok dulu ya. Ada satu video yang nggak gua upload karena terhapus ya di memori, belum sempat diupload rupanya, yang tentang si Tribios itu ya. Ya kita aja lah. Nah, jadi ceritanya mereka kan nunggu ini si Painon kok nggak balik-balik kan. Akhirnya kita masuklah ke tempat ujiannya si Painon. Ceritanya kan masih di Vortex tuh. Nah, gagal kan rupanya gara-gara si Painon ini ya lawannya itu adalah masa lalu dia kan kampung halamannya hilang, teman sahabatnya si Sirene mati ya, banyak lah pokoknya sampai kampungnya udah hilang dari peta lagi. Nah begitulah jadinya nggak kuat kan si Painon ini, akhirnya diganti lah sama Semaide. Nah rencananya ini, nah sedangkan si Tirani sama Kastoris dibawa ke grup Epipani ya, kini Mas baru ya. Nah, ternyata tiba-tiba rupanya grup Street ini sudah diserang oleh gelombang giring gitu. Nah, akhirnya mereka malah ketemu pula sama pendekar berjubah hitam deh. Nah, tapi untungnya kita berhasil menyelamatkan Anakta. Oke, dan core flame benih api yang semuanya. Nah, oke, semuanya dipulang ya. Oke. Nah, yang lucunya ini kemarin gua ngeselin deh, mereka ngapain sih bertiga ya, Bibi sama saudarinya nih malah ke tempat Oronik sendiri lagi kan. Gua bilang kan, ini masih kecil lu ngapain keluar malam-malam. Nah akhirnya si Triadi meninggoy ditusuk sama si pendekar jubah hitam. Namun Nah, jalanlah rencana kali ini tidak mulus. Tapi guys, si Mayday lah yang gantikan ujian dewa Titan pertikaian ya, Titan of Strife. Dan akhirnya dia menjadi setengah dewa guys. Bukan cuma si Aglea, Tribi, lalu si Mayday juga. Jadi ada 3 ya. Oke, nah samping itu dia juga mengadakan upacara pemakaman untuk si Triane ya. Jadi begitulah. Itu tidak kemampuan nanti. Ini ya. Udah 15 sampai gue. Oke, ada bansos seperti biasa 1 2 3. Wah, hampir semua ya. Oke, mantap. Oke, kita ipin apa aja sini. Wow, latihan. Ambil. Bansos nih berapa nih? 5, 2, 4, 8, 7, 12, 14, 20 anjay. 7. Hal belanja super. Ini tuh yang top up. Alamak. Yang top up sih. Bundle tiket spesial. Bundle untuk perintisan atau penukaran. Untuk tiketnya. Berinvasi terus. Tidak. Ini pasti nggak mungkin gue lewatin. Oke, ada pilihan, tapi ini gue nggak tahu dapat tokennya gimana caranya ya. Ini si Ruan Mei sama Boca. Lupa nih cara dapatinnya gimana ya. Yang semacam token ya, di gue lupa. Ada dikasih tahu caranya. Ya udah liatin aja dulu. Bagian gue juga belum butuh-butuh amat. Kenangan berharga. Coba kita lihat. Dia mimpi. Oke. Oh, boleh. Oh, ini event top up juga nih. Aku nama dinamis. Wallpaper ponsel, film ponsel eksklusif dari waktu ada fixing baru guys. Khusus untuk cara MC ya. Kartu nama dinamis. Wow. Wallpaper ponsel. Ini special anniversary tahun kedua ya. Bikin spesial laporan perintisan tahunan Astral Express. Kita lihat. Oh, udah bersedia. Apa gua tekan terus ya? Ini per seri 2 tahun. Oke. Ini malah masuk website. Aduh, balik. Nah, di sini juga bakal ada live konser ya, konser orkestra gitu ya, kurang lebih. Ini siapa paling gitu? Udah sampai kan aja nggak tahu juga sih. Oke, ada Cycle Stories, Dr. Rasio, ada Acheron, Sunday, King Yuan, sama Madam Herta dan Mem tentu saja. Oke, tapi ini yang gue curiga nih. Kan plotnya sama nih kayak Honkai Impact, maksudnya kalian tahu lah kan banyak mayat gitu, plotnya 11-12 mirip lah gitu kan, makanya gue curiga ini kenapa di anniversary 2 tahun cuma Castoris yang ada, harusnya kan banyak cara Amporis yang lain. Ini si Kasubras nih baru nongol loh, baru muncul banner udah dapat dia art khusus anniversary 2 tahun. Padahal kan kita ingat ada Maidi, ada DB, ada Aglea, jangan-jangan mereka udah meninggal semua kali ke depannya. Itu kan gua pikir cuma si Castoris yang hidup, hanya satu yang dapat melihat keajaiban penciptaan ulang ya, katanya gitu ya. Perayaan Sarel War. Wah, ini dia baru dia ada tadi kayak begini. Kali ini tadi dari sebuah produser game yang dapat digunakan. Isi Trailplay. Wow. Pen undangan. Pamer bakat. Pen perjalanan. Nah, ini bisa ditukar guys, tapi tunggu nih, ini 41 hari ya, makanya masih lama ya. Enggak, ini beda. Salah lihat. Betul, minta. Ini masih di sana. Nah, ini kita udah punya nih, dikasih token gratis satu tuh. Nah, Golden Companion Spirit. Nah, ini kalau kalian nggak penting-penting. Nah, di sini kita bisa tukarin salah satu karakter yang ada di sini nih. Nah, ada ya sekarang yang ditambahin ada Ruanmei dan Wocha. Nih kalian bisa pilih langsung. Tapi ingat guys, tergantung kebutuhan kalian ya, soalnya ini toko nanti bakal ditambahin lagi tuh. Kalian lihat tuh ada lebih banyak karakter yang bisa ditukar, akan ditambahkan di masa mendatang tuh. Jadi kalau kalian nggak butuh-butuh amat, jangan dipakai guys, dan segera ya. Nih gua kan player Acheron nggak mungkin lah butuh Ruanmei, ya udah kan nggak usah pakai dulu gitu. Tapi kalau lu aja ya bisa jadilah kalau pengen tip yang punya healing gacor, soalnya Castoris juga gua lihat kitnya agak menguras banyak tumbal. Ini apa ya? Ini event terbatas ya. Kayaknya iya sih. Enggak cuma nggak tahu, tapi bisa langsung dimainin buset. Nanti aja lah dulu nih kita lanjut. Oke, selanjutnya kita lihat dulu case story. Oke. Mau gacha atau enggak nanti dulu guys. Jangan maksa. Lihat, tuh pilihannya berat guys. Ini party Acheron ini mah. ada JOQ pula. Gue butuh juga sih tapi inget. Jangan mintang. Oke, bisa diedit. Misalnya kalau kalian dapatnya lagi boost, yes lah. Nyancingnya gue geser aja. Oke, kita cek dulu si Castoris. Nampaknya OP nih. Ini yang ribut-ribut lower pasif, ujung-ujungnya juga digacha kan kalian nih, pengajar emang. Oke, Castoris dapat menahan satu kali serangan mematikan untuk rekam tim. Dan nih berlaku walaupun karakter tidak berada dalam tim, kan memang gila nih. Memanggil Deathwing untuk membantu dalam pertempuran. Oke, jadi Castoris adalah ya Remembrance. Ingat ya, Remembrance ini dia fokusnya main summon ya. Netherwing dapat menanggung damage untuk seluruh anggota tim. Oke, dan memang serangan Netherwing akan mengonsumsi HP darah. Semakin banyak darah yang dikonsumsi, maka semakin tinggi damage yang diakibatkan. Oke, mari kita coba. Oke, ini Castoris. Tapi dia maju dan buat musuh panjang jalan memasuki satu stage.
Emerge from your cocoon. Emerge from your cocoon.
Coba-coba berberikan ketiga. Ayo, serang semua musuh dan jangkauan dan manggil Netherwing untuk memulai pertempuran. Oke.
Emerge from your cocoon.
Mak, intronya langsung lancarkan skill Memorify untuk siapa Netherwing dan lancarkan sequence.
Receive divinity.
Meledak api gua kayaknya yang ada nih.
Let's go. May death protect us.
Tapi gua sampai ngelanggup. Oke, gua sambil record ya. Mereka.
Be careful.
Iya. Kita mau intro langsung deh. Oke, Castoris basic attack sama ya, mengakibatkan quantum damage kala pada satu musuh. Oke. Skill fungsi HP seluruh rekan tim dan memang akibatkan quantum damage ini skillnya tipenya satu musuh ya, single target. Tapi oh iya ini tipenya burst ya. Botol ultimate Doomsday manggil Memo Spread. Oh jadi dia manggil naganya ya. Stellar unik Ethan Sanctuary of Unkukun. Setelah memperoleh Castoris atau saat ada Castoris di dalam tim saat ini dalam pertempuran, jika karakter tim terkena serangan mematikan, maka seluruh karakter tim yang terkena serangan mematikan pada aksi kali ini akan memperoleh satu Unkukun. Ini oke tekniknya Netherfell. Mungkin Netherfell akan mengandalkan aksinya sebesar 1%. Jalannya nggak waras. Memang split. Konsumsi APD sendiri masih kecil. Dan 3 kali penguatan. Oke. Iya.
I only wish that death may protect us.
Sampai gila mata gue.
Allow me to see you off. Receive divinity.
Kalau lihat ini basic attack sama skillnya
That
Castoris
which is
tanpa naga.
seized must be repaid.
Watch my moves. It's coming. I grant you this as you wish.
Oke.
Life is not so fragile as you wish.
You chose the wrong enemy. Eternal sleeving and return.
Ya.
Embrace a new life.
Aha.
Watch closely.
Ini mau lihat Castoris yang ini.
Please
Coba ya.
cherish this time. Darkness follows me. Underestimating us will cost you. It's coming.
Kita enakin lah, udah jelas lah ini terlalu OP nih kan. Mari kita coba guys. Yes guys, coba ya. Biasanya nih perusahaan ini gacor sih. Pas kapan ya gua pernah bilang ini ya? Biasanya, oh iya ya, Guardian Tales ya, kalau nggak salah ada gua ngomong gitu ya. Oke. Coba cek kotak. Kaget gua lebih cepet. Nah isi kan gua bilang ini bersih ini gacor mah. Baru juga sekali full coba LT nya ya, rekornya. Teori gua kuat banget kalau ini versi pasti gacor nih. Nih kan takut gua LT nya bawa coba ya, soalnya titiknya wajib LT. LT nya gua lihat dulu ya. Meningkatkan 30% max HP. Menambahkan 30% dep. Sudah berikan 30% dep itu mah ada kayak pela buset. Core max artinya 60% HP, mengabaikan 30% dep. kesimpulan akan dilakukan 24%. Dan ini kita bagus buset. Masih apa super S1-nya aja udah mantep ini, apalagi S5 ya. Oke, coba ya. Oke, kita tes ombak dulu. Sebenarnya gue pengen nyimpan buat Japonet sih, tapi pun kekurangan gitu ya. Kita apa ya? Ini kalau anniversary emang gacor tuh udah nggak terlalu tinggi. Bukan emang iya lah anniversary mau gacor langsung dapat buset. Kalau orang bilang kan ada namanya kan nabung PT tuh, PT. Kalau gua enggak sih, nggak ada teori begini. Soalnya kalau tiap ganti banner gua nganggapnya mulai dari nol PT-nya. Gua juga bilang apa kalau cari anniversary pasti gacor. Aduh. Mari kita pasangkan. Salah. Iya emang gampang dapatinnya buset. Entahlah ya emang dari zaman gua main Guardian Hotel kalau anniversary pasti gacor ya. Bener. Kenapa gua bawa game Guardian Tales? Karena itulah yang awal tinggal bakal gua rajin nge-YouTube sekarang. Itu. Jadi oke. Makanya wow. Pollux besar banget buset. Mantap. Oke, kita lanjut ke story utamanya ya. Dan udah mulai. Maaf, nggak ngelek. Udah kita skip aja. Katanya ini gua dikasih spoiler dikit ya, tapi gua mau lanjut. Tapi katanya MC Trailblazer bakal cukup bikin Oronis, tapi nggak tahu ya bikin Oronisnya seperti apa ya. Ini awal ceritanya ya. Terus juga si sampai itu juga Aglea akan berhadapan dengan para senat. Biasa lah senat ini kan kurang aja sih. Benci sama para keturunan Chrysos. Jadi keberanian telah melihat diri kuat jalan akhirnya berhenti di situ. Sebentar semua orang yang terbesar di jalan takdir yang panjang dapat bertemu lagi di ujung angin barat, tempat bunga bermekaran di bukit. Gue coba benci nih ngisi suaranya pada bawa kerja, ya ampun. Lagian ya entah kok mereka ikut demo juga asem. Kayak nggak ada kerjaan, lanjut lah isi suaranya. Kayak ini suara MC kita kemana nih? Waktu di Penakoni masih ada perasaan. Yalah. Tadi padahal gua benar rencana pengen ganti dubbing ya ke bahasa Jepang, tapi udahlah. Yang Inggris sih lebih enak, lebih berasa alur ceritanya. Kalau nengok hujan kolonik, apakah ramalan itu juga terwujud padaku? Tapi jawab, saya jawab aja. Beberapa waktu yang lalu basic lagi.
Ah, it's you, Cass. I finished the anthology of poems you lent me. Here it is.
I thought you'd be too preoccupied to find time for reading.
Precisely because of these obligations, I felt compelled to read it swiftly.
Wouldn't all these preoccupations slow your pace?
On the contrary, knowing that time is limited can push one to overcome their limitations. The weight of these responsibilities seems to have enhanced my reading efficiency.
I understand completely. During my time at the Grove, the closer exams drew, the more efficient I became at tackling everyday mundane tasks. Anything but my actual studies.
Precisely. As I remember, you and Finon were both disciples of the new Sporists. I assume that Anaxa's exams were as unreasonable as the man himself, correct?
The courses Professor Anaxa taught were Introduction to Alchemy and History of Mythology. And to be perfectly honest, those two courses were the students' greatest nightmares.
The history of mythology taught by the blasphemous great performer himself. I can imagine their fear.
Now that I think about it, students would often rush to the podium during class to challenge him on those blasphemous ideas. May I ask, Lady Aglaya, has your relationship with Professor Anaxa always been like this?
He openly dismisses people's faith and questions the very justification of the Flame Chase journey. Our positions have been destined to be at odds.
A Dromus draped in finery?
As I see it, this nickname is more of an insult to the Dromas. Despite his insufferable arrogance, I do hold a certain respect for his nature as a scholar. To remain true to his principles, he is unafraid to stand opposed to the world, and that requires considerable resolve. Anaxagoras' life is almost like a satire. As a Chrysos heir, he refuses to heed the prophecy, while he disrespects the gods.
The gods have chosen him.
He was indeed chosen by Xerxes. Is something weighing on you, Cass? The golden thread is quivering. I sense there's more to this exchange than idle chatter.
With all due respect, I'd like to know what you plan to do with him.
In light of his assistance in the battle against the Flame Reaver, I am willing to grant him some time to find a way to remove the cool flame. However, if Anaxa decides to make any move that places us in danger, I will not hesitate to take extreme measures.
Just as I feared.
The Flame Chase journey is the destined path for the Chrysos heirs. Yet he now seems more like an empty shell. Given his strong sense of self-respect,
Guys, kata-kata
I
ya,
trust
cangkang
that
kosong.
Anaxagoras will
Biar
make the
nafkah.
right decision.
Apapun
Still,
artinya apa?
I can't help but hope for another possibility. Perhaps Anaxa will also overcome his limitations, now that he knows time is limited.
Memang udah mati sekali sih.
I understand your
Tapi
stance.
untung dibantu
Let's
sama
continue this discussion
versi
another
hitam
time.
kecerdasan.
But now, let's greet our guest. You're here. Does this mean you're ready to take on Orynyx's trial?
Aku masih belum yakin.
I understand. It was the sacred beast's idea, after all. However, it warrants careful consideration, given their intricate ties to the Titan.
Memmy mem, memmy mem 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 mem, memmy mem memmy mem.
Surrendering the cool flame is a Chrysos heir's duty. Your selfless assistance is deeply appreciated. However, I urge you to carefully consider the risks of accepting the trial. Becoming a demigod means forsaking your humanity. You will inherit Orynyx's divinity and bear the time of Amborius, all on your own.
Aku juga belum mata. Story-nya
From
berhenti
that
ke
point
sini dong.
onward, your fate will be forever intertwined with ours, never to be separated again, until the end of Genesis.
Rencana
It's
tidak.
exceedingly rare to find a capable Chrysos heir. If this path proves unattainable, I am willing to lower my expectations. There are still many priests of Yanissopolis and their descendants in the city. If I'm left with no other option, I'll try to find someone worthy among them.
Saja aku mundur ya. Terus kalau bukan aku, siapa yang akan turun ke neraka?
Mem worry. Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem. Mem, hero. Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem.
Jadi sendiri bisa tahu gak pemalu.
It looks like you know that Titan rather well.
Iya. Kok si Mem tahu gak bagus tentang Titan Koroni?
Memories that exist outside of your own experiences.
I can't explain why, but I can vouch for Mem's words. When I was in the abyss, I heard the Titan's groans, full of pain and grievances, yet without any ill will.
Jalan lagi bunyi di aku ya.
Please, Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem. Memmy, mem. Memmy, huge.
Kayaknya nggak ada pilihan lain.
Since you've made your decision, go back to the bath chamber and get some rest. Trinem will call for you when the ceremony is ready. It is difficult for me, as the guide, to absolve myself from blame for things to have progressed to this point. Time and again, you have risen to the occasion for Akima. Merely rewarding you with some honeydew is no longer able to express the extent of our gratitude. When the dust settles, I hope that we'll have the chance to have a long chat regarding your return journey and the curse of the sky. It's about time that we lift the taboo and discuss things openly.
Lebih baiknya aku sapa Tatori.
Mister, may everything go well for you and Mem.
Dia datang mencari Aglea.
It's nothing. I only came to discuss some matters with Lady Aglaya. Previously, I lent her an anthology of poems that Lady Trianne had gifted to me. Tracing back, this anthology was something left for Lady Trianne by a bard, although personal properties should be cleared out once their owner has passed on. Lady Trianne gave this book to me since she knew how much I like to read.
Apa bila beritahu tentang
It just contains an allegory. In a faraway land, in a city known as Styxia, a dragon corrupted by the black tide descended one day, swooping upon the city like death itself. It swallowed the princess of the city whole before it was suppressed. After taking down the evil dragon, the warriors discovered that the princess's life had already met its end. Overwhelmed by grief, the queen hired an alchemist to resurrect the princess using the dragon's flesh and blood. However, having lost memories of her previous life, the resurrected princess turned into an evil dragon herself and wreaked havoc.
sekali.
The author of this book is Archepia, a wandering bard who traveled to many cities. Among the things she left behind are poems, dictionaries, and many tragicomedy scripts. While flipping through these books, I felt like I was afforded a glimpse into the life of Archepia. It felt just like I was traveling with someone that I'd never met before. It was as if she had yet to pass on. And
Setiap orang pasti meninggalkan jejak selama mereka ini.
that's right. Writing, drawing, and taking photographs. It seems like human nature to try and leave records of things. Speaking of taking photographs, when I was helping you to take the photo previously, I did not look through the photos in your photo stone out of courtesy. But I'm also very curious about the story of the Rosy Celestial Maiden. Despite having visited many cities in Amphorius, I still understand nothing about the world beyond the sky. Forget it. Let's talk about this in the future. For now, I only hope that you'll be able to complete the trial safely and obtain Orynyx's blessing.
Ini tidak ini misalkan banyak kembali dan bicara dan kan.
May you complete the trial safely and
I'd love to go in and take a look.
Mana? Apa diapain, Mam? Tidak warga.
That's right. Oh, partner, you're back just in time. This is something that the both of you should probably know.
Ada lagi.
I wouldn't call it trouble. I just think it will be favorable if the both of you understand the situation in Akima better.
Udah sudah. Kami ingat yang terus dia mereka mulai sesuatu yang senat kurang ajar.
Some background information for you. The Council of Elders is an authoritative body in Amphorius, made up of different city representatives. They hold legislative power over the Holy City, and are in charge of presiding over the Citizens' Assembly held once every few years. This is the most important social event of Akima. It is highly influential, and can even affect what happens to the Flame Chase journey. Despite her vision and wisdom that spans across thousands of years, even she cannot win over the hearts of everyone.
Aku tidak perlu pelajaran sosiologi. Mungkin gak perlu ikut selama beberapa ujian saat kita menjadi paper for university lagi. Kita kan lebih banyak tentang sidang warga dong.
Every 5 to 10 years, the Council of Elders organizes a citizens' assembly at Dawncloud. During the assembly, the representatives will vote on major issues such as whether the Chrysos heirs led by Aglaia should still hold the right to govern the Holy City, and whether the Titan's conquest should continue.
Ih, berat betul. Ada pahlawan dan manusia.
That is correct. However, the problem lies in the fact that there are ill-intentioned extremists in the Council of Elders. They view the Citizens' Assembly as a way to restrain the Chrysos heirs and hope to take complete control over the Flame Chase journey. We can refer to them as the Opposition. During the assemblies held in the past 100 years, the voices supporting the Opposition have been growing stronger in the shadows. It's only thanks to Aglaia that the Flame Chase journey has been able to continue to this day. The Citizens' Assembly is just around the corner, but this time, there seems to be a new variable to the situation.
Tapi ikut kita mungkin akan tapi nak memiliki target lain.
I'm afraid that the Council of Elders might want to take advantage of Professor Anaxa. Aglaia will surely take back Circe's core flame, but with Anaxa's current condition, It's so unique that nobody knows how taking the core flame away from him will affect him. He has always been someone that is only concerned about his own research. I'm certain that he must want to escape from the monitoring of the Golden Thread and protect himself. If the opposition were to offer an olive branch at this time... Anaxa has never believed in the prophecy, so technically it cannot be considered a betrayal. However, he has taught many Chrysos heirs, and has long been considered an important ally of Akuma. I truly do not wish to see comrades turning on one another. As I believe in his character, I plan to plead with Aglaya and try to buy more time for him. Then, the greatest way in which you can help is for you to know what I am fighting for.
Jangan bisa, karena aku cuma mau istirahat.
Allow me to apologize for the fact that we always seem to be troubling you. I hope that Orynyx will show more benevolence and be more accommodating. I remember that they seemed quite fond of you back in the Abyss. Go and rest and regain your strength. We'll meet at the Vortex in a few days. Oh, right. You can read this scroll if you want to find out more about the Council of Elders and the Citizens' Assembly.
Kita istirahat dulu. Jangan kemudian. Ini juga masalahnya ya. Masalahnya internal eksternal ya.
Nervous.
Gue merasa seperti bebek yang dipajang di atas langsung secara paksa. Ya, anjing laut. Ya kan. Bagusnya sih. Beberapa hari kemudian di Vortex of Genesis.
Esteemed one, Orynyx's vacant totem awaits. If you have already made your preparations to become a pillar of Amphorius, please, step forward.
Mr. I'm sorry, but I'm not sure. Right. Perhaps something like, as long as you can successfully complete this trial, the rest of the Flame Chase journey, no, that sounds a little strange. Don't worry, it won't take up too much of your time. Oh, sorry. It seems like I've made the mood even heavier.
Accepting a Titan's trial is a very peculiar experience. I'm afraid that I'm not able to accurately describe it. I believe that you'll be able to pull it off.
I can still vividly recall when you entered the Vortex of Genesis for the first time. At that time, I could never have imagined that a guest from beyond the sky don't feel burdened. Just like during the trial of strife, Trinan and Fainan will be waiting. May Kefili bless you.
Little Gray and Mem, thank you. Your resolves cannot be questioned. We praise your pure selflessness and courage. May Kefili light your path forward. Get ready to assume Orynyx's divinity, Trailblazer. The divine
Apa yang akan
position
kita
of
dapat?
Orynyx has already been vacant for some time. We can feel the space of the trial closing. As there isn't much of their soul left, we'll have to complete the ceremony before their soul completely dissipates.
Sudah biasa ada pertempuran.
The eighth core flame coveted by the miracle that once belonged to the great Vale of Evernight, Orynyx. It shall now be returned by the two elected heroes of the Chrysosairs. A traveler who is upright and courageous, and a sacred beast that invokes miracles. Mem 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 who? Mem 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 mem. Both of you, please, come forward. Recite along with us. O Majesty of the 12 Titans, pillars of the world, we seek your divinity to mend the rifts of the world. Fill our bodies with blood of gold till we wither in willing service to the prophecy.
Ini aku tidak punya darah emas deh.
These are just words meant to make the prayer seem more solemn. Please, focus. And surrender the core flame.
Oke, serius lagi. Langsung bukan bisa ya foto ya karena cuma nggak ada darah. Tekan dan tahan untuk menyenangkan benih api dan menyelesaikan misi. Oh yeah, udah nyala. Sepertinya
Orynyx, their soul has been waiting for a long time.
Perhaps they're also quietly waiting for the arrival of their successor.
saya kali semua. Rasanya itu kurang cocok dengan suasana itu. Jadi kita simpan ucapan perpisahan sekali saja.
Don't worry, you're tougher than I am, right?
Hilang.
Traveler from beyond the sky, let us pray that the Titan acknowledges your worthiness.
Although he loves cracking jokes at inopportune times, his determination is as strong as the Chrysosairs. He will definitely succeed. While he's away, I would like to have a chat with you, Ablaya.
Speak. I'm listening.
Astaga. Maaf, otak gue yang negatif. Sorry. Lak pula tiba-tiba.
Wake up!
Oh. Gimana nih?
How is it? How do you feel?
Kok kamu bisa ngomong?
Right? I think that it's amazing too. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Mana lancar ngomong tuh?
I have such a cute voice. It must be because of all the memories that I collected. They allowed me to grow beyond expectations.
Gila, ada ngomongnya udah lancar.
Also, listen. The words of the Titan are becoming clearer.
Oke.
It hurts. Have I finally reached the end? Are the years of isolation coming to an end?
Or next. Oh, how heartbreaking. Ever since the figure draped in the black cloak robbed them of their core flame, they have been relegated to waiting in isolation. We are going to help alleviate their pain, right?
Memories broken. Mother, where?
Kelihatan Oronis cari emaknya. Apa emaknya?
Who are they calling out for?
Oronis.
You. It's you. I remember you. Skyfather has gazed upon you. Mother is calling for you.
Apakah Bapak Langit itu Uli? Aeon Remembrance ya? Kata-kata Titan terdengar samar. Setiap suku kata yang terluar dari kabut telah diselimuti lapisan es yang melambangkan memori.
Skyfather has chosen you.
Siapa ibumu? Suara yang aku menembus kabut kemasan, menyentuh dinding gunung yang tak terlihat di kejauhan. Mantul lalu kembali ke telingamu sebagai gema. Di dalam gema itu, kamu sepertinya mendengar suara tangisan bayi.
Mother is no longer responding.
Kami mencarimu untuk urusan penting.
Something important. An important matter.
Oryx, listen to me. Aren't you tired? Throughout the long years, you have always been protecting the fate of Amphorius. Each time people draw strength from within their memories, every single ripple falls onto your shoulders. There's no need for you to bear this any longer, Oryx. From today onwards, someone else will bear time on your behalf. This is why we have come.
Freedom. Freedom. I want freedom.
Oh, poor child. Everything will be fine. Let us help you. You can have a good rest now.
Kawan besar kurang ajar. Itu masalah apa kawan besarku?
You have potential.
lacking something. What is it?
What you lack is
Oh,
a future.
aku tidak punya masa depan.
Future?
Traveler from the sky. You should have dissipated already.
Eh,
The gaze from Sky Father stabilized your form. Because from the moment you crossed the sky, your life was cast away. Right now, you
Loh,
are simply a
Oh.
collection of walking
takut.
memories.
bulan memang yang berjalan.
What? How is that possible?
Aku sudah
The space is collapsing. Someone must inherit the authority of time. If the pillar is lost, the laws of time will collapse. Amphorius will succumb to eternal disorder.
bangkitkan aku.
Time never compromises, never bears grudges, never forgives, never makes a choice. Child of humanity, Titans, Mother, time restrains everything that exists in this world.
Orynyx's divinity is dissipating? Is the trial coming to an end?
Pathstrider of remembrance, my strength, I shall entrust it to you. The fate of the world, if you wish to save it. Go and find your future that has been stolen. Even if that means you'll have to cheat death. You'll have to challenge that. Hand of shadow, clasped with unyielding fingers.
15 waktu fajar pintu tiba, hampir kembali masa depan milikmu. Di waktu yang sesungguhnya. Briefing, buset. Lebih berat loh dari ujian pertikaian. Akhirnya kamu bangun juga. Intinya kamu berhasil. Titan Onyx sudah mempercayakan kuasa ilahinya padamu. Sekarang kamu sama seperti para setengah dewa Amphorius, tapi Mem sudah menceritakan apa yang terjadi sama ujian. Ya, lanjut nih. Jadi apa kekuatan superku? Bisa-bisanya kamu bilang begitu saat ini. Kamu memang hebat. Ada sesuatu yang belum pernah kukatakan padamu. Saat kita mendarat di Amphorius, gerbong kita tertancap tombak Pikador. Kamu ingat tidak? Di reruntuhan jurang takdir ini yang aku katakan. Kamu pingsan saat gerbong kita diserang. Aku juga pingsan setelah mbakmu keluar. Untung kita ada di dalam gerbong. Kalau tidak kita pasti sudah hancur berkeping-keping. Sebenarnya ceritaku agak memikirkan situasinya. Yang sebenarnya terjadi jauh lebih rumit. Saat itu kamu terluka parah dengan beberapa luka yang masih berdarah. Aku berjuang untuk membawamu keluar dan menggunakan sisa kekuatanku untuk menghentikan pendarahannya. Tapi saat itu aku juga tertimpa batu yang jatuh dan pingsan. Akhir kali aku periksa, kamu masih belum bernapas. Tapi saat aku sadar kembali, kamu masih hidup dan penuh semangat. Jadi aku tidak pernah membahas hal itu. Jadi pas kecelakaan udah mati ya? Kok aku bisa bangkit dari kematian? Aku tidak yakin apakah pandangan Puli ada hubungannya dengan hal ini. Tapi menurut Titan, kamu sedang hidup dalam wujud memori, sama seperti objek-objek masa lalu dan keajaiban Oronis. Mungkin Mem adalah tali jangkar yang mengikatmu ke masa kini. Aku awalnya mengira ia tidak bisa terlalu jauh darimu. Tapi kenyataannya mungkin sebaliknya. Stellaron, lakukan sesuatu. Dulu aku juga sempat mengira kalau Stellaron adalah sistem bantuan hidupmu. Tapi sepertinya mati. Salah pencet. Tapi sepertinya hipotesis ini tidak valid. Oh iya. Dulu pernah juga gue bahas begini di grup ya. Kalau Stellaron di tubuh MC ini kayak mirip seperti wadah baterai gitu ya. Tapi katanya sih hipotesis ini tidak valid. Itu ya. Mana? Ada cara tahu. Dan Oronis menyebut tentang menemukan masa depan yang dirampas darimu dan melalui kematian. Mengingat tubuh Maidi yang abadi, sepertinya ada semacam kekuatan ajaib yang polis yang bisa membalikan kematian. Sepertinya terletak pada tangan kelabu yang kurajaannya tidak diketahui.
Hey, are you alright? I heard you two talking about Thanatos. Cass is also very concerned about the warning. She has left the vortex and returned to the garden. Shall we go and look for her? Thanatos is the Titan that Cass has always been looking for. Regardless of whether there are any clues, there's probably no one else that understands death better than her. Oh, right. There's something that I have to tell you. The Chrysosairs already know everything that has happened to you. I was too worried, so I told them everything. Please don't hate me, okay?
Mati. Nanti artinya kita udah mati dong guys. Waktu kecelakaan, di gerbong cadangan kena tombak Pikador ya, aslinya udah mati. Tapi si Danheng waktu itu lihat juga kalau kita sebenarnya udah berdarah dan luka parah sih. Tapi si Danheng kena batu. Biasanya pas bangun lagi kita juga sehat walafiat udah kan guys. Ternyata kita saat ini dalam posisi kumpulan fragmen memori ya gitu ya. Artinya kita hidup lagi tapi cuma memori doang gitu. Itu bahaya juga nih. Oke, kita kekurangan masa depan ya. Sorry. Nggak tahu dia ada petunjuk ya. Aduh, telepon aja lah. Berarti kita udah mati dong semenjak baru masuk. Udah mati, berarti bentar. MC kita sebenarnya udah mati berapa kali ya? Udah ada yang nyaris mati juga sih. Kalau dari awal story ya.
Mister, I'm right here.
Mana? Langkah sebentar.
Please stay there and slowly turn around.
Mengapa kamu rasa adegan ini agak familiar? Adegan apa nih? Kamu ingin menoleh ke belakang, tapi kamu melihat warna ungu melintas di wajahmu. Lalu segera pasti dan kaget kembali. Dalam sekejap mata, waktu seakan berhenti di bawah sedadir, dan kamu kebetulan menutup matamu.
Please pardon me.
Ini adegannya. Kamu menyadari bahwa kamu masih hidup, bukan lebih tepatnya kematianmu belum cukup menyeluruh. Kamu meninggalkan sensasi geni.
Just as I expected. I cannot feel anything.
Oh? Saya patah bagiku. Ya sorry, kamu kebentaran.
Back at the grove, I was puzzled as to why you were not affected by my curse. I thought that it might have been the special ability of a traveler from
Oh
beyond
iya
the
iya, waktu di
sky.
klub kan si MC kan gak sengaja
How did I
kepegang
expect
caster
that this
kok
would be
gak
the
mati
true
kan.
reason?
Tapi ini berarti kita udah dapat alasan kenapa si MC kok nggak mati pas terkena kutukannya Castoris ya.
I'm sorry. I should have noticed that something was amiss earlier. Mister, if my abrupt behavior just now offended you, I hope that you can forgive me. I'm just thinking, if your soul has really left your body, as a mortician, I might be able to trace where it has gone to.
Cass! Did you find anything?
My apologies. Not as of yet. Perhaps I have overestimated my capabilities. But, Mister, would you be willing to let me try again? This time, I'll increase the area of contact slightly. Perhaps
Ya udahlah, coba lagi
I
lah kalau belum tahu.
have never touched the living in this way before. If my actions are in any way
Ya, kenapa
disrespectful,
waduh.
I hope that you can forgive me.
Coba dia lagi. Kali ini gemetarnya sudah sedikit meredah. Momen karambit deh. Bikin kaget saja.
I seem to have caught a glimpse of something. Your soul is currently roaming someplace and cannot find a way to escape.
Nah itu ya.
But perhaps it might not be a bad thing. If your soul is still wandering around, it means that we still have time. We have a chance to find it before the fingers of Thanatos sweep everything away. Clues. Just a few more. I need more guidance. Ah. The connection has been severed. With my strength, I'm not able to trace it. It was me. I was a little too hasty. Don't worry, mister. Although we currently have no leads, I will do my best to search for the whereabouts of Thanatos, bring back their core flame, and personally return to you the life that you have. I know that I'm lacking in confidence, but I hope that you can keep this promise of mine in mind. Before I manage to deliver on this promise, Amphorius needs you.
Dia berani. Aku mengerti.
Lady Aglaia and Lord Finon are currently discussing some matters in the paths. They're worried about you too. If possible, please go there and let them know that you're well. Although, I don't actually know. Also, please accept this Styxian fable. Reading can help one to focus and relax. I hope that reading this can help tide you through this difficult period.
More and more
species are disappearing.
Kurang paham kalau itu ya. Nanti bacanya. Tapi itu loh makanya kok kayak enggak lihat kok bisa ya. Rupanya jawabannya udah jelas. Tapi untungnya pantas lah MT dapat berkah Eon Fully gara-gara ini udah mati rupanya. Jadi selama ini kita cuma dalam wujud memori kumpulan ya.
They're here.
That partner! Hyacinth said you definitely wake up. How do you feel?
Jadi Arwo ternyata keren juga ya.
Well, at least you look no different from the living. I think that most living people don't even look as good as you do.
You've completed
Nggak
the trial
lucunya,
of time.
Walaupun
And I
udah
have to
mati
admit
terus biasa
that the
makin
process
mati.
went better than I
Jadi
expected. Even in the end, that Titan's heart still showed a soft spot for
dibilang
humankind.
Titan Oronix tekadnya terlalu OP guys, terlalu kuat emang.
However,
Tekad sama
I
keteguhannya emang
never
bukan main-main.
expected that
Makanya sampai kan
two
sadar dia
people
udah
who had
mati.
cheated death would appear in Akima at the same time.
Orang yang telah mimpi kematian akan muncul di Okinawa pada saat yang sama.
That's what we have been talking about. Mighty has been in Akima for such a long time, but has no one thought to study his indestructible body? If there were even any minor breakthroughs, we wouldn't be as clueless as we are right now.
Many have had this idea, but so far there have been no results. Nevertheless, now is not the time for us to give up. At the very cipher. If anyone in this world knows the whereabouts of death, it would be her. I'll try and get her to return to Akima, but do be prepared for a less than ideal outcome. Please understand that throughout the history of Amphorius, no one has ever managed to escape the clutches of death. At the end of time, Thanatos silently awaits all.
Gimana bisa dianggap penghiburan?
Don't take it to heart, partner. After all, you've already created countless miracles along the way, right?
But before that, just
What's wrong, Aglaya?
omens always come in pairs. A tiny air current will eventually brew into a storm that tears the sky apart. It's Anaxagoras. He has initiated contact with the Council of Elders.
In the end, it has still come down to this.
I earnestly hope that your assessment of him is accurate, Finan. Otherwise, the efforts of my teacher and I of the past millennium might be reduced to dust because of that great performer.
Pindah sudut pandang ke anak saya. Ganti pop. Gue bingung, lantai mati. Iya.
I'm back here again. I remember this dream. This realm is covered in a silk-like fog, and the land is barren and harsh. The crowd of travelers leaves tracks everywhere.
Hey! Excuse me! What is this place? Where in Amphorius are we?
The mutters of the traveler are in a language I'm unable to comprehend. Or perhaps they're just distracted and ignored my question.
Tell me, which Titan reigns over this land? And how do I find them?
Hand of Shadow. Hand of Shadow Thanatos. Could this possibly be the Netherrealm? Not Netherrealm.
Then where is this? River of Souls? The outskirts of the Netherrealm? Are you heading downstream toward the Netherrealm?
The Netherrealm. Nothing but an illusion. Titan rejects you. Me. Listen.
What? The Traveler lifts their wrinkled fingers and remains silent. I look in the direction they are pointing and listen closely. There. A massive shadow brought the sound of rushing tides. The sound of tides. I can hear it. I hear it, deep within the tides. Beyond the closed gates of the Void World. A voice, about to recount something.
Child of humanity, is it death's embrace you yearn for with such urgency? Oh, you have awoken. Welcome back to the mortal realm. Your consciousness is dissipating much faster than I expected. Ultimately, it seems like the Titan's core flame is incompatible with a mortal body.
How much longer can my consciousness remain in the mortal realm?
In my estimation, at best, you'll see 15 more entry hours.
Sama loh kak, kayak yang dibilang 15 waktu pajar pintu lagi. Oh, doa nafas juga mau mati ya. Pokoknya kayaknya mati berjamaah buset.
15 days and nights.
What is it? Are you finally starting to become attached to the mortal world now?
On the contrary, 15 days feels a little too long for solving a singular problem.
Ya anaknya sih emang aslinya udah mati.
Stop giggling. It's time for us to go. The messenger from the Council of Elders is almost here.
Let me ask you one more question. Are you really planning to betray Aglaya's will?
What betrayal is there to speak of when I was never loyal to her to begin with?
Lurus banget emang.
What about that white-haired student of yours? Acting so recklessly, do you not care about what might happen to him?
There will be a price to pay for blind faith. This is also a lesson for Finan.
You truly are a strict teacher.
Kita bisa trial.
Of course. This is how I've always been.
Oke, kita ada tanam. Oke, itu kakek putar. Oke, nah.
Watch this magic trick.
Kakek putar jadi. Gila, keren loh. Iya. Ini kakek putar yang gila. Ini ada di skin di FFP yang skin apa tuh ya, gue lupa. Tapi ada memang ada skin yang bisa dibilang hampir mirip lah.
Sorry to keep you waiting, Lord Enexagoras.
Waduh.
It's been a while, Lord Enexagoras.
Iya apa bunet?
I greet you on behalf of all the citizens of Akima and express my deepest regret about what happened at the Grove of Epiphany.
It's you. I never expected that you would personally come and meet me.
By carefully into mountain above, I have come as a testament to the justice of the Council of Elders.
There are Antikytherians here? They have been a rare sight ever since the Chrysos War.
I extend to you my utmost respect, revered Titan. I am Lycurgus, though you may call me Lygus, holding an honorary position within the Council of Elders in Akima, and as the Theoros, I stand to protect the right of all upright citizens to express themselves freely.
You can see them too?
You know about us. We Antikytherians perceive the world through the amplitude and frequency of souls. Just as I am conscious that Lady Aglaya is secretly listening in on our private meeting from afar, if necessary, Lord Anaxagoras, I can sever the golden thread to protect your fundamental rights.
The demigod should know better, for such is her station. Spare those poor threads, and just let her listen to my words. They shall serve only to unveil her folly.
May I interpret this as you having a countermeasure?
I need not any plan, because she can do nothing other than petty espionage. As the Citizens' Assembly approaches, and with Orynyx's fall, any attempt to capture the core flame within me will only usher chaos and calamity. A truth she undoubtedly comprehends. While I, Anaxagoras, serving as the Grove's special envoy to Akima's Citizens' Assembly, have long known the extent of your abilities. Let's forego the formality of asserting authority, Lord Lygus. Lead the way.
Very well. Surely Lady Kindness would appreciate such assertiveness in an ally. She's been waiting. Follow me, please. Is there something on your mind, Lord Anaxagoras?
Nothing, really. It's just a question that I contemplate every time before I ascend to Dawncloud. For the Titans, does the falling equate to death?
Ah, a pondering truly deep. Time is on our side. Do you mind sharing your reflections with me?
While all living beings must ultimately face their demise, Kefali has yet to meet theirs. Their journey continues unhurriedly along this...
Are you suggesting that Kefali may not have truly passed?
Yes. For dying implies an ongoing process, an action, whereas death signifies a static state, a definitive termination. In contrast to mortals, Titans exist on a grander scale of space and time, thus elongating their passage into death. The notion of their fall is but a
an intriguing concept, albeit challenging to substantiate. After all, Kefali has maintained a profound silence ever since the era Arasa, while
Perhaps the gods in their arrogance deemed it beneath them to reveal their perspectives to mortals.
Could you elaborate on your...
Circes, the kin of the Skyfather as recounted in myths, now resides within my brain. Were I to inquire, Kefali would have no cause to refuse.
Oh.
That very well could be true. But what if the world-bearing Titan still...
In that case, the myths crafted by the people of Amphorius are nothing more than pitiful jests.
It's worth a try. I believe, and I'd love to witness the fruits of your theory and the change it may bring to this impair, because I completely concur with you on this aspect. If the Titan has indeed met their end, any response from them would be
Oh.
Please, Professor.
Naiknya banget tangannya.
The children of humanity have indeed created a spectacle.
Ini tempat baru ya?
Welcome to Dawn Cloud. The atmosphere here carries a greater sense of solemnity than the mundane clamor of the Marmorial Palace, with entry permitted only to the invited. Only esteemed beings grace this place, and among them I've received priests, scholars, warriors, and now we even have the honor.
Once deemed a blasphemer, now a surrogate for revered divinity. The honor should rightfully be mine, shouldn't it?
I'll notify Kindness and the others of your arrival. Kindly wait for a moment. A soldier will be here to guide you shortly. In the meanwhile, you're welcome to explore the vicinity, but kindly remain within the guard's view. Delaying the crucial meeting.
I'm well aware of Kindness's methods. There's no need to emphasize.
As you wish.
Alas, I had hoped for a brilliant plan from you, but it turns out you just left one cage to enter another.
Save your concerns. I know very well what I'm doing.
I shall depart to explore the surroundings then. Now that I look around, I wonder if there are any murals bearing my portrait around here. I'm quite intrigued to see how the children of humanity beyond the grove...
Off you go. I won't be joining you. This Titan appears to be quite at ease. I should investigate the Council of Elders' recent activities first.
Be aware, I can hear you perfectly well from here.
Panjang betul map. Map segede ini mas. Coba jalan dulu ya guys. Yang sangat. Wow. Ini berarti tempat yang paling dekat dengan ini entah pato atau emang Titan beneran ya? Titan Kepale.
Even blasphemous scholars can come here, it seems.
Looks like my presence here is quite unwelcome.
Anaxagoras, I thought that you had died to the Black Tide, just like the other scholars.
As Kephales's priest, are you not aware of the decorum of respecting the dead?
Surely you jest. You blasphemous heretics are not worthy of respect from the Supreme Being. Let me remind you that you're currently in Dawn Cloud, so you'd better keep your deranged language to yourself. I am no longer that altar servant from years ago who could only acquiesce to the commands of others. Now...
I'm not sure whether I should laugh or cry right now. I can't believe that a follower such as you could have been made by a creation titan. As I see it, a dead titan can't provide you with this level of confidence, right? Then who is it exactly? Could it be Kindness?
You. Seeing how fond of you Elder Kindness is, I shall let that slide for now. Leave immediately, and don't impede us from receiving the Supreme Being's blessings.
Seeing as we were able to hear of this matter from the mouths of others, it seems that Kynes is indeed quite sincere toward us. Perhaps this...
Oh my, what a thrilling confrontation. As expected of one of Kefali's followers.
Are you praising or insulting him?
Praising him, of course. As a believer of the God of Deliverance, it is only...
Didn't you hear me? I asked you to leave. Go as far away from here as possible. Don't mutter to yourself like some sort of madman and disturb my...
Mama, buset para senat ini. Ini semua. Anak Sami. Gua kira model bajunya full ada begetek buset. Baru sadar gue lihat. Cuma nutupin bagian bau doang. Dekat banget buset. Ya.
Professor Anaxa!
Sudah ada mendingan dikit.
I suppose I can just...
Professor Anaxa? Word has it that the scholars of the Grove valiantly perished resisting the Black Tide. To find you here safe and sound, thank the Fates.
You could say it's the Fates toying with us.
It's only the Crimnoans and Idonians who chase glory through death. But your survival is a victory in itself. I'd settle for that gladly. So, are you here to report the incident to the Council? I heard that after the Black Tide devoured the Grove, Akuma would be next in line, even with the demigod of strife standing alongside humankind.
Tell me, how much does the Council of Elders know about the Black Tide?
Once Kynes and her followers learned of Circe's and Orynyx's fall, they proclaimed in the council that the Flame Chasers could no longer stand against the calamity alone. Yet, when the Crown Prince ascended to godhood and repelled the Black Tide, she immediately altered her tune, declaring that all was resolved beyond Akuma, with the only remaining menace now being Aglaya and her adherents. They might well make their move at the upcoming Citizens' Assembly.
No surprises there, those shifty opportunists. Thank you for your honesty, virtuous student.
Being an opportunist could very well be a facet of wisdom.
Shouldn't you be searching for murals of yourself? I've had enough of your prattling.
I was really curious to see how you would find the middle ground between both factions, so I came to listen in. But it seems as though this Kynes is much more ruthless than Aglaya. If so, why do you want to work with her? Could it be that perhaps you've decided to readily surrender this hollow shell of yours?
I'm afraid you'll be sorely disappointed if that's what you truly think. I've had enough of this. Could the 15th entry hour arrive any faster?
What was cepet mati buset.
Oh, my. Could it be that the great tree painted in this mural is actually depicting me?
Every plant, every tendril, no, even every leaf could be the embodiment of Circe's.
As a result, mere mortals who did not know what the Titan actually looked like chose to paint them as a giant tree instead. Their wisdom was portrayed as fruit, to symbolize how they shared their knowledge equally among the masses.
This mural is quite abstract.
I really can't tell whether you are praising or demeaning yourself. Now I'm quite curious whether the Reason Titan has studied figures of speech before.
Of course I find such stylistic devices interesting. For all we know, this could be the answer to the question, what exactly are we?
I, for one, am not willing to admit that I could look this ugly.
Was this the reason why you failed in your attempt to refine my soul when you were ambushed at the Grove?
Since you are aware of this, why did you save me back then?
From my perspective, this point alone was enough to separate you from the average person.
How do two lunatics coexist in the same brain?
Therefore, it seems that your journey to Dawncloud this time is not just to seek protection. What, then, is the intention behind your actions?
The entire plan is stored in my memory. So why don't you look there?
Then don't mind if I do. 1 year old? 2 years old? Oh my! Even a member of the preeminent Seven Sages must hug his drum stall to sleep? How interesting.
Nathan emang pecinta hewan drama.
That's enough.
How unusual. Your soul is actually trembling. This must mean that behind this toy hides a secret that nobody knows, right?
Since our days are both numbered, I don't mind telling you more about it. This is a present that my sister gave to me. It's a doll that was made to look like our family pet.
So there are other members in your family, eh? Are they also living in Akama?
Don't you just love to pick through my brain? Go on, continue flipping through my memories. It won't take long. You'll discover the answer when you reach the memories of when I was 5.
Oh, the black tide is everywhere. I can't bear to look.
When I was young, I couldn't accept this outcome either. Georios, Aquila, Kefali, and you, of course. Although I prayed to every Titan that I could think of for help.
This... Could this be the inception of your research into alchemy?
Indeed it was. Everything started from that verdant courtyard of yours. When I was pursuing my education there, I naturally also came to learn of Thalesis' theory as well.
Oh, I remember that person. He was the one to come up with the concept of souls, right?
Not only that, he also believed that life, as well as the composition, movement, and transformation of matter, all stem from souls themselves. This is why I thought that, since all living things stemmed from the same origin, why could I not sacrifice myself in order to resurrect my nearest and dearest?
Anaxa, you...
I did it, teacher!
But this is absolute blasphemy. Regardless of how much freedom the Grove provides, such an act could cause you to be burned at the pyre. Your beloved, where is she now? Send her away from the Grove at once, to a place where nobody will ever be able to find her. Otherwise, the both of us will be judged by the Council of the Seven Sages.
Calm down, teacher. My sister, she's still not in the mortal realm. Even to this day.
What do you mean?
It was naive of me to think that I could snatch the deceased from Thanatos' grip by merely sacrificing one eye. Equivalent exchange. All I received for that price was but an opportunity to see her for one final time.
Oh, let it go, Anaxa. As one of my best students, I cannot watch you go down the wrong path without never do something taboo ever again. Don't disappoint the deceased and never harm yourself. If you can do that, this classroom will still be yours, and you'll have a chance to live out your own life.
Since I was able to see her one last time, I have no other desires. You're right, teacher.
It's time for me to start a new life.
I am sincerely glad for you, child. Now then, what topic would you like to study?
I wish to continue Thalesis' research.
Continue the research into souls, but you know that the Grove has long since understood his philosophy like the back of their hands. Even if you continue digging into this subject.
No, teacher. After my fleeting glimpse of the deathly fog, I finally understood a single truth. Since ancient days, our understanding of souls is but the tip of the iceberg. I may have lost an eye, but my view of the world has become clearer than ever. I have grasped the truth with my bare hands. Watch as I turn this farcical world upside down.
Who would have thought such a secret lay concealed beneath that hefty eye patch of yours? However, this story doesn't seem to be connected to your plan. In fact, I'd say that they aren't related at all.
The answer lies within the tale. If even you cannot understand it, perhaps you should relinquish the divinity of reason to me. After all, my story ends here. Now it's time for you to tell me your secret. After all, this is what equivalent exchange means.
As expected, you laid a trap for me unfortunately. Even if I was willing to talk about my past, I may not know more about it than you do.
Oh? Are you saying that the renowned Reason Titan is now admitting a lack of wisdom? Your followers are going to be sorely disappointed by this.
Child of humanity, remember this. Being cognizant of one's ignorance is the greatest wisdom of all.
Now I understand. No wonder you asked me to answer your random, nonsensical questions.
Not only that, you're the only one who can shed light on my query. As the saying goes, onlookers see most clearly.
Is that so?
Lord Anaxa.
Hmm?
I saw you muttering to yourself and was wondering whether you were caught in a delirium of reflective thought. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but time is of the essence. I have a message from Lord Lygus. Lady Kynus has met up with the Council of Elders and is awaiting your arrival, so please depart forthwith.
It's finally time.
Carefully. The one who created the world, and the one who bears the world. If you truly have not met your end, how will you answer the challenges of those who defy you?
I didn't expect you to agree to Lady Kynus's invitation. What a wonderful turn of events. To tell you the truth, there are many people who hold grudges against that Lady Goldweaver.
Jadi story kali ini akan berkaitan dengan si MC mencari. Sebenarnya MC ini ujiannya belum selesai, guys. Ujian Titan Ororicnya baru dimulai. Dan juga kita akan berhadapan dengan konflik internal ya, konflik politik di Okema Emporium. Oke, kalau gitu kita akhiri aja sampai sini ya. Oke, sebagai penutup, gua ucapkan terima kasih kepada kalian yang sudah menonton video ini. Oke, sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Dah.